Hi everyone. This is a brief video to show you how to copy your learning outcomes to your Canvas course. Before we start copying the actual learning outcomes over, I want you to make sure that you have access to the master course. To see if you have access to the master course, you would go to Courses, which is up here, click on Courses, and then you're going to scroll to the bottom and look for the link that says All Courses. Each of you will have access to different courses, but the master courses are located somewhere down here. Department Master Course Principles of Accounting 1 is the Financial Accounting course. So that would be the Principles of Financial Accounting course. They still haven't changed the names. And then if you're teaching Managerial Accounting, the master course is Department Master Course Principles of Accounting 2. You have access to it. If not, send me an email and I will add you to it. Let's try Principles of Accounting 1, the Financial Accounting course. I'm going to show you the video based on the Financial Accounting course, but it's the same process for the Managerial Accounting course. And if you have any questions, let me know. So click into the accounting course, and this is not updated, it is old, but what I have done is I have put the learning outcomes in the modules so it's easy for us to copy over. So make sure you have access to the modules and then make sure that you're able to see all these learning outcomes. If you are, then you're all set. We can go ahead and copy the course over to your course. Before we copy the learning outcomes, I do want you to know that some of the learning outcomes are Canvas assignments and the other ones are McGraw-Hill Connect assignments. If they are Canvas assignments, they just have the name here. So terminology, accrual versus cash basis, all these are Canvas assignments. If they're McGraw-Hill, I've labeled them McGraw-Hill, and then I'll show you in another video how to copy these over or how to create these in McGraw-Hill and then pair them in your course. Now let's go ahead and do the actual copying over. So go to your course that you're teaching. I'm going to show you how to do that in my practice course. So you'd be clicking the course that you're teaching this semester. Once you get to your course, you're going to go to Settings at the bottom. And then you're going to say Import Course Content. Click on the Import Course Content link, and then we're going to look for, up here under Content Type, you're going to look for Copy Canvas Course. We have to search for the course. If you type MC, all the master courses start with MC, you'll see the master courses along with others. Click on Principles of Accounting 1. That's the course you want to copy over. You don't want to copy all content, so we're going to say select specific content. Make sure that box is selected. And then you can leave that blank and click on Import. Now we're going to go and select the content we want to copy. I'm going to click Select Content, and I want to go to Modules. So I'm going to go to Modules and click on the module that says Learning Outcome. There is one more thing that you do need to click. You do need to click Question Banks and make sure that you click all these different question banks that are tied to it. When these courses were initially set up, they were set up using a question bank, and at some point we need to simplify this process, but for the lack of time, we're going to have to just work with it for now. Then say Select Content, and it's going to show that it's queued, and in a little bit it'll copy everything over. So give it a minute or two. When it's done copying, it'll show you that it's complete. So then you can go to Modules and you should be able to see your learning outcomes copied into your course. You can click on each assignment that is a Canvas course and make sure that it copied over correctly. So let's click on Terminology. If everything copied over correctly, you should be able to preview the quiz and the questions would come up just like this. And this is good, and you can assign it to your students. Go back to Modules and make sure that every assignment that is not a McGraw-Hill assignment is showing up correctly. Now we have to go and set up the McGraw-Hill Connect problems or Pearson if you're working in managerial accounting. And then once those are set up, we can copy these over to your Canvas course. I will create a separate video on how to set them up in McGraw-Hill and on Pearson.